To dismantle your PortaBarre, you're going to press the spring clip on. Now onto the legs and feet. You're going to press the spring clip once. When your legs are dismantled and you're putting them in the carry case, you're going to make sure the bars are in line like this. And you're going to put it in the little pocket here. Then you're going to put it inside this. Then you're going to take the opposite side, so you'll put it into the pocket. The one like this first. So you're going to make sure it's inside the top section and make sure it's beside the pocket. Same thing, you're going to lift this up and you're going to put that right there. If you want extra protection for your PortaBarre transportation, utilize the foam cylinders that it came packaged in.